Well, hello everyone. Welcome to part 4 of a 1977 Sportsman Air Cruise overhead replacement. Apparently, it's on hold due to the weather. We haven't had some good weather to be able to reseal it and put some new glue on. So that's on hold. What I decide to work on today is going to be my door. Don't forget, you could follow me on Facebook as you can look for me on Facebook as Lucky MudMowers. That's Lucky, first name. Last name is Mud, M-U-D-M-O-W-E-R-S. And don't forget to hit that like, hit the subscribe. So this door looks like it's seen some better days. It's been open probably a million times. Well neglected. The panels are starting to come apart. There's some busted wood inside there. It is very flimsy. The window looks like it's pretty much had it. So we're gonna work on this and see what we can do with this. It's coming apart here. Seems like it's all working. I do have the key for the lock, so I'm going to get that, see if I can work with that. I'm going to replace some busted wood that's in there. This is insulation. This is the styrofoam. I believe that's R5. I do have some more of that, so I'm going to be replacing that as well. So it's basically, I'm going to take this whole door apart and see what I can do with the door. So check me out on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Hit this subscribe here to keep up on what I'm doing with the RV. If you watch some of my live videos, you'll see the interior, which is really nice. It's been worked on. Don't mind the roosters in the back. I'm up before they are. I wake them up. So anyways, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. And I will be back with another video to show you the progress, what I've actually done with this door, if it's able to be repaired or I had to purchase another one. So we'll talk to you guys later. Happy 4th out there.